Mostly Disney, SeaWorld, whenever we do something. Do you want to see something, hopefully around here somewhere? Let us know. Put in the comments. We actually do a lot of people's requests. It's awesome. The food over there is amazing. You know, you never find a bad place to eat. And we go to the kiosks a lot because they have a lot of different types of food. We're looking forward to this meal. How are we doing?
Very much.
Awesome.
These are the pan-seared scallops.
Pan-seared scallops.
And that is the tempura shrimp.
Tempura shrimp with the sriracha sauce. So we're going to give it a try and see. Delicious. And it's going in for landing.
How is that?
Oh, wow. Mmm.
Delicious, huh?
Mmm.
Very good.
Mm-hmm. So that tasted delicious?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think of the rest of the meal?
Very good.
The scallops were cooked to perfection?
Seared scallops.
Seared scallops and that tempura shrimp. The batter is so light and so flaky, and it didn't even taste like tempura. It was so lightly coated, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, it was so good. The whole meal was yummy. We're gonna finish this off. Well, that was amazing. The food was so good here. This is Sharks, the underwater adventure, and it's, as you can see, there's sharks underwater coming right at us. This hammerhead. We get to sit here next to them while we're eating seafood. But it was a very delicious meal. We had some wonderful food. We enjoyed each other's company, and we enjoyed the fishies. They're very entertaining all on their own. Just wanted to let you know how good everything is.
All set?